Evening guys, tonight we're at Blackpool Illuminations again. We're back to see what the 2021 one looks like. And here's these creepy mad teddies again.
The noise of it going is just the creepiest.
Imagine that was down your backyard then. Listen to that guys. These things would fit in brilliantly in a horror film. Imagine just some spooky music behind all this. Wouldn't it?
It is the creepiest thing. Honestly, see if it was like actual pitch black and you could just hear that motor going and then just a little bit of sun. All it needs is a creepy laugh. That's all it needs.
Next up we've got my mum's favourite, Alice in Wonderland. I really do like them. This is new for this year, isn't it? But I say new, I think from stuff I've looked at, these things, they just like change every year, I think. I'll need to look that up. But this definitely wasn't here, I don't think, when we were here last year, was it?
Yeah, I think
nah.
It was Alice one, but it's slightly different.
I don't think it was this big, was it?
Scary. What is happening?
She is quite scary looking, isn't she?
Look at the detail on that tablecloth. And why does the like white hair look like he's about to murder us all?
He might. And then we've got Noddy. Guys, just to scrap that last one, Alice in Wonderland's no my mum's favourite. It was the Voz, Natalie just corrected me. That's terrible. I should know what her favourite is. There was music in this one last year, wasn't there? But it doesn't seem to be. I don't even know if this one's working, to be honest.
I'm pretty sure there was a mummy coming in and out.
There was a mummy. Looks as if this one's seen better days, didn't it?
Sure.
I think this sarcophagus opened last time, but it doesn't look like it's going to do it this time, unless it's just not working. And then in this wee maze here, we've got the Dalek, which moves, and it was speaking a wee minute ago.
It's actually terrifying, it's huge.
It's quite hard to see on camera. And then we've got a spooky tree, but Natalie was just saying there the lighting's gone on it a wee bit. Doesn't actually look that good in person, but it actually looks alright on camera. I don't know if this haunted house is supposed to be more lit up or whatever.
This one sang last year, all the mouse sang a lot.
That's right, I actually remember that. But it's no quite the same now, is it?
I've just sent you my location. The ones are better, okay?
To be honest, it doesn't it's not look that great, this one, does it? And then another spooky one. See, to be honest, to be fair, so far they've all been a wee bit of a letdown, aren't they? They're not as like musical and that as they were last year.
They only just opened last week though.
Oh right, so maybe we've came too early. And then we get this sort of Moroccan maybe scene. Which again is not really doing anything crazy. It's just some flashing lights and stuff. So far these Dalek ones have been the best. Sort of moving, making noises. And the Blackpool Rock one. This one's pretty fun.
I like this one.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? Basil brush. That wee kid's just running away from him. To be honest, this year I don't feel like they're as animated as they were last year. I could be wrong. Maybe I'll need to go back and watch the vlog we done on them last year to see if they were as animated as I remember. They just feel a wee bit quiet this year. Now this one looks as if it's having the time of its life. This is what I think Natalie would be if she was in light form.
I think it's like a firework and I like it.
It's cool, isn't it?
I can't decide what it wants to do, but it's just here having the best time.
These butterflies I feel are a wee bit wasted, aren't they? They just...
Is it any butterflies?
Are they? No?
I don't know.
They look a bit like butterflies, I could be wrong.
I thought they were like weird X's.
Get some Swan Lake vibes going on here. They're cool. This is what I think when I think of like Blackpool. This sort of thing. You know what I mean? Big cheesy lights. But again, it would be better if there was like some music or something going with it.
be like a Wednesday night?
Well, do you know what's interesting? Me and Natalie noticed on the website that tonight started later than the other nights, and also, as Natalie just said, this is a Wednesday night, so if anybody knows in the comments why there's not any music written, can you put it, let us know. Then we have some Native Americans, looking pretty cool, doing their word dance, or maybe they're just doing a wee dance because they want something to eat, I'm not too sure, or they're happy. By far this has got to be my favourite ever, this tram, how cool is that?
I like the little helicopter on the top.
That's cool, isn't it? So we're not too sure how much that is, but you can get that and it goes up and down here. We'll maybe post in the comments if we find out how much it is. I say we, it's mainly Natalie that posts in the comments, or in the description, sorry. Well, that is Natalie. Aye, some peacocks are pretty cool.
It's definitely a butterfly.
Aye, that is definitely a butterfly, and then a fish right next to it. Then we've got these cool ones here. I don't know if the camera's picking them up right, maybe a wee bit too bright for it. And I really do like these ones. So I would say that one's maybe the cold.
Is it not the four seasons?
Right, so what is it then?
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Aye, the cold. Slightly less cold, a bit warmer, and then slightly warm. That's what I'd say. I'll get a sooty and sweet. Is it sweet? Sweet, sorry. Cartoon going on here. Got the pirate guys, which was at the start last time Natalie was saying, and they definitely had singing and more lights and all that, so I think it might be because it's a weekday. Can't remember when we came last time, do you, Nats?
Must have been a weekday, but it would have been in October.
Ah, right. And this one with Evil Knievel's not really even working, it's like missing the bit in the middle.
Confirmed Evil Knievel's a magician.
Oh, he's a magician?
He's a wizard.
He's a wizard, Harry. And last but not least is the Greek one, which doesn't even look as if it's running.
It looks like a big bit's missing out of the middle.
I know, it looks weird, doesn't it? Right. Well, that is, we call it a night.
Yeah.
We head back. Right, guys. Well, Natalie's going to do the outro now.
I am doing the outro, apparently. In Blackpool. I don't do the outro.
You don't do the outro? Right.
So like and subscribe, guys. I don't like being the centre of attention, I just like pointing at things.
Right, guys, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.